Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cheese Zinger burger. First, take a boneless chicken breast, about 150 grams, and marinate it with a blend of spices like paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for at least 30 minutes. Next, prepare your coating by mixing 2 cups of all-purpose flour with similar seasonings. Dredge the marinated chicken thoroughly in the seasoned flour, ensuring it's fully covered. Then, deep fry the chicken until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through, which usually takes about 6 to 8 minutes. Now that your chicken patty is ready, let's assemble our burger. Start by lightly toasting your burger buns. This adds a lovely crispness and prevents them from getting soggy. You can use a toaster or a pan for about 1 minute per side. Next, spread a generous amount of creamy mayonnaise on both the top and bottom halves of the toasted bun. Then, place a crisp, fresh lettuce leaf on the bottom bun, creating a nice base for our delicious Zinger patty. Here's where the cheese in Cheese Zinger comes in. Immediately after placing the hot chicken patty on the lettuce, add 1 slice of your favorite cheddar cheese on top. The residual heat from the chicken will perfectly melt the cheese. Next, generously drizzle a spicy Zinger sauce over the melted cheese and chicken. You can use a store-bought sauce or make your own with chili, garlic, and a touch of vinegar. Finally, add a few slices of fresh tomato or thinly sliced red onion for an extra burst of flavor and crunch. Almost there, carefully place the top bun onto your fully assembled burger, pressing down gently to secure all the delicious layers. Your homemade cheese Zinger burger is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve it immediately while the chicken is hot and the cheese is perfectly melted. This burger is a fantastic meal for lunch or dinner, offering a satisfying crunch and a burst of flavor. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.